Experiencing persistent monitor display failures and a blank screen can be incredibly frustrating. I've personally faced these issues and discovered multiple effective solutions. This video is designed to help you fix monitor brick and black screen error after USB connection, restoring your display quickly and efficiently. Many display problems result from temporary electrical glitches or loose connections. A power cycle resets the monitor's internal state, re-establishing a clean communication link and resolving signal loss. Graphics drivers are crucial for monitor function. Conflicts or corruption, often from new USB devices, cause black screens. Updating or reinstalling ensures correct, stable software for display output. New USB drivers can sometimes interfere with your display. Removing or rolling back these drivers eliminates software conflicts, allowing your monitor to regain signal and function. Safe mode checks for software conflicts. Testing different video ports, cables, or another computer identifies if the issue is with monitor hardware, the cable, or the PC's video output.